Visiting Anglesey, Morn CF. Visitors are allowed in by appointment only. Please call or email to book your appointment beforehand. On the day of your appointment, please arrive on time, not early or late. On your right as you enter is a notice board reminding you to wear a mask and keep a social distance. When you enter, please sanitize your hands by the reception desk. All visitors are asked to complete a short COVID questionnaire. A member of staff will ask you questions and complete the form on your behalf. After completing the questionnaire, a member of staff will sign you in. There are 2 meeting rooms available. Desks are fitted with a dividing clear screen. Once the meeting is finished, you will be asked to sanitize the chair and table with wipes provided. The meeting room door will be left open to help the air circulate. If you require a private appointment, please inform a member of staff when you book. Private meetings can be held over video call or over the phone.